come here. That's one of the core things about connecting classrooms, is building those bridges between the host country and different cultures and countries. The Connecting Classrooms program is a collaboration between British Council and DIFI. Both organisations co-fund, half fund this program, and we are, as you know, we are launching the 4th iteration of Connecting Classrooms. This is a particularly important program at the moment because Connecting Classrooms is now officially part of the Ministry of Education's Secondary Education Development Program, SEDP, which you will have no doubt read about and heard about. Connecting Classrooms is one of the UK's initiatives as a contribution towards SEDP. So the work that you are doing is helping to build the teacher education capacity development part of SEDP. And we are very keen to be working with the Ministry of Education, with your assistance, to improve the quality of teachers' education and to open the eyes of teachers in Bangladesh and to give them some perspectives from other countries as well. So, thank you all for coming. I know some of you have come from quite far away, and it's travelling in Bangladesh is not the easiest, I know. It takes a lot of time. So we appreciate lots of traffic jams. We appreciate very much that you've taken the time to come here, and I wanted to let you know that we really do appreciate the work that you do, and that it is an important contribution to this important program, which is building links between Bangladesh and other countries, and is an important contribution towards the secondary education development program as well. So you are committed and working within the sort of strategic level of secondary education development. So thank you all, and enjoy the rest of your time here. Thank you.